So like I said, next thing we're going to be doing is, excuse me, simulating a game. So to do this, what we're going to do is we're going to write a function that is going to say, it's going to take the away, we're going to call it single simulation, because eventually we're going to do 100 of these. But this is going to take those, and we're going to see what we get. So one thing that I wanted to check was I don't need this anymore. How many rows a typical game has, because we're going to be rebuilding these. So let's say apply. Actually, no. Let's just say view 423. So it looks like anywhere between 518 and the lowest is 445. So I know that there's a statistic called pace, which says, what is the average number of possessions that a team has, and some teams are faster than others, some teams are slower than others, etc., etc. But I'm not too worried about that. I'm just going to say probably 500 just to keep it nice and easy. Okay, so now here's what we're going to do. We're going to do the same thing as we did in the scraper, and we're going to create this new output data frame. Simulated final game. Great. I don't have to do this, but I like having it say look correct. Okay. So next thing we're going to just say is we're going to assume that the home team gets the ball. So just for me to see, what we're going to do is we're going to say choose one of these rows randomly, and that is the first play of the game that happens. I know it may not be true, right? So you can't get a rebound when no one has shot yet, etc., but just for simplicity's sake, that's what we're going to do. I know there's no well, I know that true randomness is impossible, etc., but close enough. I think it's RAND. Maybe not. Run if sample. There we go. Sample between 1 and n row of home 22. Oops. If we don't try to find it in the table, because that's just going to crash my computer. Oh gosh. Of course, now it won't be 626 anymore, but okay. So we're saying LA Clippers, Gallinari shooting a 2-pointer. I think he's shooting. Yep, he's shooting. He makes it for 2 points. They do not keep possession. It's 16 feet from the basket. I forget what this last NA is, but whatever. I think these are foul or turnover or something. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to say simulated final. First play. So first play is going to be row 262. Great. So what we need to do now is we need to first play parsed. We need to take row names. And we need to split it by this. So this is play theme, play type, points outcome, possession retained, shot distance, shooter, fouled, turnover type. So this takes in these, and we're just going to assign NA for the rest of them. Okay. First play. DF, data frame. And we're just going to do NA for the date, NA for the away team, NA for the home team. And we'll just fill those in at the end. Or maybe we won't at all. It's not that important. Oh boy, that's not what we wanted. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Perfect. And I don't think this is going to work, but let's try it anyway. Oh, it might have worked. It did not? Did? That's not what I want. What do I want to do? No, not C-bind. So what happened was it basically renamed the columns to things we don't want. We could rename them after, but it's easier just to do this and keep it the same all the way throughout.